Jenny Craig Online Premium Program App. The pros, the cons. Most people struggle with staying consistent on weight loss programs, but the Jenny Craig Online Premium Program App offers structured support to help you succeed. You won't believe how much easier losing weight becomes when guidance is just a tap away. On the plus side, the app provides a full meal plan, portion-controlled meals, and customizable menus based on your dietary preferences. Users receive daily tracking tools for meals, snacks, and water intake, along with progress reports to visualize weight loss trends. The app also includes access to online coaching, giving personalized advice and motivation to keep you accountable. Another benefit is flexibility. You can access the app anytime, anywhere, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Meal replacements are convenient, and the app's step-by-step guidance helps build sustainable eating habits rather than just quick fixes. However, there are some drawbacks. The meal program may feel restrictive to those who prefer cooking their own meals. Premium coaching features come with a subscription, and some users report that shipping costs or meal availability can vary. Long-term adherence also requires commitment, which might be challenging for those seeking instant results. In conclusion, the Jenny Craig Online Premium Program App provides structured support, convenience, and professional guidance for effective weight management. While subscription fees and meal restrictions may pose minor challenges, the combination of personalized coaching and easy-to-follow meal plans makes it a highly effective tool for anyone serious about achieving and maintaining weight loss goals.